There once was a young boy named Alex who lived in a small town with his parents and two younger siblings. Alex was 12 years old and had always been a cheerful and optimistic child. He loved playing with his friends, exploring the outdoors, and spending time with his family. But there was one thing that made him stand out from the other kids in his town: his unshakable faith in God. From a very young age, Alex's parents had instilled in him the importance of having a strong relationship with God. They taught him to pray every night before bed and to always trust in God no matter what challenges he may face. And Alex took their words to heart. As he grew older, Alex faced many obstacles and struggle. His family went through financial difficulties, his best friend moved away, and he even had a health scare. But through it all, Alex never lost his faith in God. He prayed every day for strength and guidance, and he always found comfort in knowing that God had a plan for him. One day, when Alex was 12 years old, he faced his biggest challenge yet. His mother was diagnosed with a serious illness and had to be hospitalized. The doctors were unsure if she would recover, and the whole family was devastated. Alex's father was working long hours to support the family, leaving Alex to take care of his younger siblings and do household chores. Despite the overwhelming responsibilities and worries, Alex never gave up on God. He continued to pray for his mother's recovery and took on his new role as a caretaker with determination. He read Bible verses to his siblings before bedtime, cooked meals for them, and even helped them with their homework. Months went by, and Alex's mother slowly started to show signs of improvement. The doctors were amazed by her progress and credited it to her strong will and the love and support of her family. Alex's faith in God had never wavered, and he knew deep in his heart that it was God who had helped his mother recover. Finally, the day came when Alex's mother was able to come home from the hospital. Yes! The whole family was overjoyed, and Alex thanked God for answering his prayer. From that day on, Alex's mother made a full recovery, and their family became even closer and stronger. Alex's unwavering faith in God had not only helped his mother recover, but it had also inspired those around him. His friends and neighbors were amazed by his strength and resilience, and many of them started to turn to God for guidance and comfort. As Alex grew older, he continued to hold on to his faith and share it with others. He became a role model for many young children in his town, showing them that with faith and determination, anything is possible. And whenever he faced a challenge, he always remembered to never give up on God, for he would always be there to guide and support him.